Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by putting the Apple Watch on snugly, firm but comfortable, so the heart sensor reads correctly. Open the fitness app and pick a workout type. If you're unsure, choose outdoor walk for accurate pace and GPS. Once done, set a time, distance, or calorie goal, or tap the open-ended option to start immediately. Make sure wrist detection and heart rate are enabled in settings so your data syncs right away. Next, configure tracking details so every session gives useful feedback. You can set pace or cadence alerts during runs and define heart rate zones to trigger notifications. This helps you stay in the right intensity. Then adjust your watch face to show complications like activity rings, heart, GPS, and current workout metrics. Once done, make sure the watch syncs with the iPhone Health app and any third-party apps you use for longer. To finish, stop the workout and review the summary. Calories burned, duration, average and peak heart rate, and route map where applicable. After this, add a cooldown and use the Breathe or Mindfulness app to aid recovery. Log notes in the workout if you tracked something specific. If metrics look wrong or the watch freezes, restart the watch, wipe the sensor area, and confirm Watch OS is up to date. This usually fixes syncing or heart rate inaccuracies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.